welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to cook a very easy and very delicious omelette. We need 2 tomatoes, 2 eggs, spice, turmeric, salt, like pepper, and butter. Let's start. After 2 minutes, we take this tomato out. I peel the skin of the tomato and chop them. Chop the tomatoes. I take a pan and I add the chopped tomato inside. In this level, we don't add the butter or oil, just add the chopped tomatoes inside the pan. Give a mix. Stir fry for 2 minutes. In this level, we add the spice, turmeric, black pepper, salt. Give a mix. Add the butter. 15 grams of the butter is enough. Now it is time to add the eggs. 2 eggs. Leave it to cook in the medium flame. Mix gently. You can add the sesame like seeds on it.